Guys, we're out of power, so it's a winter storm. If you guys didn't see that one video I posted last night, Peppa Pig's remains, Emerald. But this is our fire. It's keeping the house warm, and we ran out of power around what 6 a.m. between
6 and 7:30 this morning.
Yeah. So I've been up all night and all morning basically because I didn't go to sleep last night until like around 3 a.m. Shh. We don't speak of that. We know why. We know why exactly. But yeah, this is what's going on for now. Just thought I'd come on, let you guys know. We are okay. Let's see the snow. The snow.
Gross.
It's a lot. And we got a lot of this stuff here. You know.
Kindling and wood.
Kindling wood, yeah. Duh. I don't even know what it is. I'm an idiot. I'm an
Smaller,
idiot.
fine pieces of kindling, the other ones are chunks of wood.
Yeah, I know that now that I look at it. Now that would make a good picture.
The windows should be kept closed off, but we need a little daylight in here.
Yeah,
The draft is coming in through the windows.
Yeah.
What? What's all over your face?
Oh, donkey dog. He's got a beard. Yeah, don't stick your fingers close to his mouth when he got a beard. He'll get angry.
He doesn't.
He does. He don't like me. Anyway, so yeah, I just want to come on and let everyone know.
We ate our ice creams last night.
Huh?
So it melted.
Oh yeah.
Fridge and freezer don't work.
It's almost like we knew.
No, what's up?
Anyway, yeah, so I just want to come on and let you guys know. And if I don't answer, it's because my phone died. But it's still up there, the percentage. The power went out around 6:37 today. And the estimated power restoration thing is 2 p.m. But that they always give you the latest date, right? So I'm sure it's probably gonna be on before that. Because last time we lost power in that Hurricane Fiona, it only took them like what, since midnight to like,
I can't remember.
I think around 2 p.m.